Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into a fun and interesting topic that I think you're all going to love. Get ready to giggle because we're talking about those little things girls do that guys secretly adore. You know, those sweet, quirky, totally endearing things that make them go head over heels. Let's explore these little things that make a big difference in relationships. Chapter 1: The Power of a Smile. You know that feeling you get when you see a puppy with its head out the car window? It's like an instant shot of happiness, right? That pure, unfiltered joy that just makes your heart swell and your face light up with a smile. It's a moment of pure bliss that can turn even the gloomiest day around. Pure joy, right? Well, a genuine smile can have that same effect. It's like a little piece of magic that you carry with you everywhere. When you smile, it's not just your face that lights up. It's like your whole being radiates positivity and warmth. Guys love it when girls smile, especially when it's real and from the heart. It's a universal language that speaks volumes without saying a word. A heartfelt smile can break down barriers, build connections, and create a sense of understanding and empathy. It lights up your face and makes you absolutely radiant. It's like your inner light shining through, making you look and feel more attractive and approachable. People are naturally drawn to those who smile because it exudes confidence and kindness. It's like a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day. No matter how tough things might be, a smile can bring a ray of hope and positivity. It's a simple yet powerful gesture that can change the atmosphere and uplift everyone's spirits. It instantly brightens their mood and makes them feel all warm and fuzzy inside. It's amazing how something as simple as a smile can have such a profound impact on someone's day. It's like a little gift that you give to others, spreading joy and happiness. And you know what? It's contagious. When you smile, it's hard for others not to smile back. It's like a ripple effect, spreading positivity and good vibes all around. Your smile can inspire others to smile, creating a chain reaction of happiness. When you smile at someone, it's hard for them not to smile back. It's a natural response, a way of acknowledging and sharing a moment of connection. It's a beautiful way to communicate and show that you care. It creates a connection, a shared moment of happiness. It's those little moments that make life special and memorable. A smile can turn a stranger into a friend and make lasting impressions that stay with you forever. So go ahead, flash those pearly whites. You might just make someone's day. Remember, a smile is a powerful tool that can change the world, one person at a time. So keep smiling and spread the joy. Chapter 2: The Art of Listening. Ever notice how good it feels when someone truly listens to you, like really listens? Guys feel the same way. Being a good listener is like having a superpower in relationships. It shows that you genuinely care about what he has to say, and that you value his thoughts and feelings. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel heard? Put those phones down, make eye contact, and really tune in when he's talking. You'll be amazed at how much closer it makes you feel. Chapter 3: The Playful Tease. A little playful teasing can go a long way in a relationship. It's like adding a sprinkle of spice to your favorite dish. Now, when I say teasing, I don't mean being mean-spirited or hurtful. It's all about lighthearted banter, a little back and forth that keeps things fun and flirty. Think of it like a playful nudge, a way to create a little spark. Maybe it's poking fun at his taste in music or playfully challenging him to a game. Just remember to keep it light and fun, and always let him know you're joking. Chapter 4: The Magic of Appreciation. You know that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when someone expresses gratitude for something you've done? Well, guys love that feeling too. Showing appreciation, even for the little things, can go a long way in a relationship. It could be something as simple as thanking him for taking out the trash, or telling him how much you appreciate his sense of humor. It's about acknowledging the things he does and letting him know that you notice and value his efforts. Trust me, a little appreciation can make a world of difference. Chapter 5: The Power of Support. We all need someone in our corner cheering us on, right? Guys are no different. They too seek that unwavering support, especially from those they hold dear. It's not just about the big moments, it's about the little ones too. The everyday victories and the small gestures of encouragement that make a world of difference. They thrive on support, especially from the women they care about. When a man feels supported, he feels valued and understood. This emotional backing can be a powerful motivator, pushing him to achieve more and face challenges head-on. Whether he's chasing a big dream or just trying to get through a tough week, your support means the world to him. It's in those moments of doubt and uncertainty that your encouragement can be the beacon of hope he needs. Your belief in him can reignite his own belief in himself. It could be something as simple as listening to him talk about his goals, offering words of encouragement, or sharing in his excitement when he achieves something he's worked hard for. These acts of support, no matter how small, build a foundation of trust and mutual respect. Or just being there for him when he needs a shoulder to lean on. Sometimes the most powerful support comes from simply being present, offering a listening ear, and showing empathy. It's about creating a safe space where he feels comfortable sharing his fears and aspirations. When he knows he can count on you, it strengthens your bond. This mutual reliance fosters a deeper connection, making your relationship more resilient and fulfilling. It's a beautiful cycle of giving and receiving support that enriches both your lives and makes him feel like he can conquer the world. With you by his side, he feels invincible, ready to take on any challenge that comes his way. Your support is not just a gesture, it's a powerful force that propels him forward, making every dream seem within reach. Chapter 6. Sharing Your Worlds. Remember that feeling of excitement when you first started dating and couldn't wait to share all your favorite things with each other? Those moments of discovery and connection are what build the foundation of a strong relationship. Sharing your worlds doesn't just mean talking about your day. It means diving into each other's passions and interests and finding joy in what makes your partner light up. Well, that doesn't have to fade away. Keeping that spark alive is all about continuing to explore and share new experiences together. It's about making the effort to understand and appreciate what your partner loves, and finding ways to enjoy those things together. Guys love it when girls take an interest in their hobbies and passions, even if it's something you don't know much about. It could be anything from sports, video games, music, or even a quirky collection. The key is to show genuine curiosity and enthusiasm. It shows that you care about what makes him tick, and that you're willing to step outside of your comfort zone to connect with him on a deeper level. This kind of effort can make your bond stronger and more resilient, as it demonstrates a willingness to grow together. Maybe it's watching a game with him, cheering for his favorite team, and learning the rules of the sport. Even if you're not a sports fan, your interest can mean the world to him, trying out his favorite video game, and maybe even getting a little competitive. Sharing these moments can lead to laughter and fun, creating memories that you'll both cherish, or even just asking him questions about his interests. Showing that you want to understand his world can open up deeper conversations and bring you closer together. So, keep sharing, keep exploring, and keep the excitement alive in your relationship. Chapter 7. Confidence is Key. There's something incredibly attractive about a woman who knows her worth and owns it. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in. When you believe in yourself, it shows in everything you do, from the way you walk to the way you speak. And let's be honest, who wouldn't be drawn to that kind of energy? So embrace your quirks, celebrate your strengths, and let your inner light shine. Chapter 8. The Little Things Mean Everything. You know those small, thoughtful gestures that make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside? Guys love those too. It could be something as simple as surprising him with his favorite coffee in the morning, leaving him a sweet note in his lunchbox, or giving him a back rub after a long day. These little acts of kindness show him that you're thinking of him and that you care about his happiness. Chapter 9. Communication is Key. Communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. And that goes for both the good and the bad. Guys appreciate it when girls can express themselves openly and honestly, whether it's sharing their feelings, discussing their needs, or even just having a casual conversation. It creates a sense of trust and intimacy, knowing that you can be vulnerable with each other and that your voices are heard. Chapter 10, Be Your Amazing Self. At the end of the day, the most important thing is to be true to yourself. Guys love it when girls are authentic and genuine, not trying to be someone they're not. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your passions, and let your true colors shine. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it shows, and it's incredibly attractive. So go out there, be your amazing self, and watch the sparks fly. Outro! That's a wrap! So there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the things girls do that guys absolutely love. Remember, it's the little things that often mean the most. These small gestures of kindness, appreciation, and love can make a world of difference in your relationships. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.